There's Angelo and little baby Lisa. Little baby Lisa, her sister unfortunately passed away the other day, and I couldn't put her in with butterscotch as pups because they're a little bit too big and a little rough on her. So I bring it to the boy, to Angelo, who's actually probably one of the greatest dogs that ever lived. He's the reason I do pit bull rescue. And Angie's just real good with everybody. I could bring any dog in with him. Ange, where's your baby? Take care of that little girl, Ange. Angie, get your baby. Get your baby. Angie, tell your baby. That's it, Angie. Get your baby. Angie, roll over for your baby. Come on. Angie, let your baby get you. Let the baby get you. Go ahead. Angie, where's your baby? Where's your baby, Ange? Yeah, she's all alone. She's just miserable and cries. So, Ange will take good care of her. As long as she doesn't try to nurse on him. Lisa, don't eat Daddy's computer wire. And get your baby. Good boy. Is that your baby? I put my sweatshirt on the floor for her. She'll probably pee on it later. Who's Daddy's boy?
He's Daddy's boy.
It's the best boy in the world. Angelo, get little Lisa. Tell her. Tell her. Tell her. Oh, good. She's peeing in my office. That's awesome. Make sure you get it on the rug. That's it. Good girl. Angie, the baby pees? Uh-oh. Bad girl, right? Yeah.
What are you doing, Lily? Show everybody how you say hello. Look at you. Yeah, huh? Angie, where's your baby? Get your baby. Get your baby, Ange. Yeah. Little Lily.